Hi everyone, just stopped off at Rocks. I'm on my way to the boat. Gonna see how they're getting on with the bearings under the floor. So yeah, I'm just off there now, so I'll see you soon. Hi again everyone, just arrived at the Boatyard. Just gonna have a look at the boat now. Apparently I've done four bearers out of the 5. So yeah, just gonna have a quick look. There she is. I don't think anyone's on it at the moment.
Not make it, but actually fix it in.
Yeah.
Rather than, yeah, because something else is blocked, because there's nothing's fixed in properly.
No.
Not really.
Okay.
So actually, how it didn't, sink.
Yeah. I'll go and ask him how he's getting on in a minute. Just show you the outside again. I know you've seen it, but there's all their stuff in there all piled up. There's the front of her. That's the bow. It's all been done. Looks really nice. Look nice once it's all been finished and that, once all the front of the covers have been put on and the window covers are going on. Jekyll's will be doing them soon. Don't know when, but I've just been to Jekyll's actually, but no one was there, so she's left a note for them. So I should be getting a phone call. Right, put my hood up 'cause I'm getting wet. Just ask Christopher, I won't get on the boat. The river's a bit high today. How you getting on, Chris?
The last beam.
How you getting on, alright?
Yeah, last beam.
Last beam. It's been a nightmare.
Coming in as well.
Sorry?
Got some of the water coming in as well.
Really?
Your electric hatch,
Yeah.
the electric ladies, there's a little skin fin on the bottom to obviously let the water drain straight out. It wasn't actually going anywhere, so all it's doing is dropping inside the back of the boat.
Oh my god.
I've got hoses on the choking out things. That's why I think it was like rotted in the back.
Yeah.
Because the water basically filled up, had nowhere to go. It just sits there, fills up.
Yeah.
That's why I think it completely went. But there, whereas now it's got hose on the bottom, flipped on, straight into the bottom of the boat.
So it's all been sorted.
So, should be. Ideally, you want to, if you can, get it put to the skin fin.
Can you do that?
If you have a word with Eric, you can soon put your skin fin in.
Okay.
Just get a skin fin and put it in, so if it comes in, it goes straight out. So
Yeah.
it doesn't come into the boat. Ideally, if it goes in, like, come straight out the boat.
Okay.
Then you're not, I mean, yes, it goes to your bilge pump, but keep water out the boat's better.
Yeah.
Ideally. You don't want it to go. So no, I think I'll have a word with Eric, see if we can send it.
Okay, lovely. Thank you.
If you can send it to.
Yeah.
No, the only one, it's only a little skin fit in, don't get anything too big.
Okay.
Just yeah, cause just literally, as soon as the water rains,
Yeah.
literally goes in there,
Yeah.
and then just fills that up.
Oh
And then
my
that
god.
goes inside of the boat. How long it's been like that, I do not know.
So do you think that's the cause of it as well? Sort of 50-50.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Possibly. It wouldn't have helped.
No,
It wouldn't have helped. And yeah, it seems to have got drier in there now.
Oh, that's
Definitely
good.
drier.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll just keep an eye out see if there's any more leaks.
Yeah.
It's handy looks like this, because you can then find any leaks and then solve them. So then whatever we put in, and then get wet again.
Yes. Yeah.
And then keep it.
Okay.
Once the floor's done, you can't really get to stuff, can you? Not easily at that.
No. Could you do us a big favour?
Go on.
Save me getting on. Could you just video that side for me?
What, the outside?
Would you mind?
Yeah.
If I give you that? It's well muddy here, isn't it?
Just the outside of the deck.
Yeah, just that side. Save me getting on then.
Yeah, that's right. lovely weather, isn't it?
Thank you.
Lovely weather.
It's terrible, isn't it?
Perfect for it.
Alright. Okay then.
But no, hopefully that stops all the leaking.
Yeah,
Well,
hopefully.
Hopefully. It's handy to have it raining like this, because if anywhere is leaking, you can find it. And then
Yeah.
we can stop it now rather than just let it keep leaking. So
Yeah.
just rot. Put this stuff in, put new in, it'll rot it again.
God.
No, stop it leaking. Make the water tight and it should be alright again. Right.
Lovely. Okay then, Chris.
Other than that, you should be fine.
Oh, thanks ever so
Really.
much. Thank you.
But now I'll get fiberglassed up, I think next week sometime. I
Yeah.
think it'll get Jeff in. Fiberglass them all up. Then I have to make new ply floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then everything else can then have to go back together and go back in then.
Lovely. I did ask Eric, he said probably the end of April.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that, yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
And then you got to make it. Because once he's in, fiberglass them all in, then we can put the floor back down. We'll make a new floor, put that back down, then put the tank back on it.
Yeah.
Fill all that up again, make sure that doesn't leak. Just check it all, make sure it's all dry and everything, and yeah. Put it all
Okay.
back in, and then what else? If they get in a new floor, new carpet or anything
I
like
bought that lino, didn't I? I was going to get
Yes.
I'd just been to Jeffers, but no one was there. She said she'll leave a note for Monday, so they're going to ring me and
that,
see what they can do.
they should be able to
can
come down, put it
lay
put
it in,
down.
yeah.
There's definitely an art to put a lino down.
Yeah.
I'll leave it to them. No, definitely.
Okay, thanks Chris.
That's all right.
See you later. Sorry about that, yeah. So that was all the information I could get really on the bearers. I won't go on the boat because it's pouring with rain, and as you can see the floor is really muddy. I don't want to slip really, and it's quite high up as well. I've got a pin in my leg from a motorbike accident, and it is quite awkward to get up and down. But yeah, so if you like this content, please give it a like, please share, and importantly please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. So bye for now, thanks for watching, bye bye. It looks like they're doing some new Armco over there on the river bed. Yeah, I think they're redoing it all. They're working over something. Trying to zoom in. Oh, there you go. It's pouring down with rain. Quite a few boats have been put back in the water.